Today we're diving into the ultimate relaxation experience with the HoMedics Shiatsu Elite II heated neck and back massage cushion, a versatile massager that offers 3 distinct massage styles and zones to target tension in your neck, shoulders, back, and seat. This innovative cushion combines kneading shiatsu for deep tissue relief, rolling with adjustable width for a soothing, gentle massage, and a spot massage to focus on those stubborn knots, all easily controlled with a handheld programmed controller for personalized comfort. The integrated strapping system ensures a secure fit on most chairs, while the adjustable neck and shoulder massage feature allows you to customize the height for a perfect deep kneading shiatsu experience that mimics the hands of a professional masseuse. With the added benefit of soothing heat, this massager not only releases muscle tension but also enhances relaxation, making it an essential addition to your home wellness routine. Included in the box, you'll find the Shiatsu Elite II massage cushion, a quick start guide, and a 2-year limited warranty, ensuring you have everything you need for a seamless setup and peace of mind. Whether you're seeking relief after a long day or simply want to indulge in a moment of tranquility, the HoMedics Shiatsu Elite II massage cushion is designed to elevate your relaxation experience to new heights. So, sit back, relax, and let this remarkable massager work its magic, transforming your chair into a personal oasis of comfort and rejuvenation.